If you do a lot of traveling like I do, and you like to use a keyboard and mouse combination, check out this folding keyboard and mouse. It comes in this nice case, and that makes it just a lot easier to kind of travel with. But otherwise, you can just throw your keyboard in your bag, and here is the mouse right here. It also does come with a little like iPad or phone stand, so if you want to use it with your phone or iPad or tablet, you can. And it does come with the charging cable, so everything nice and neat in the box. There's instructions as well if you need them. But check this out, folding keyboard. So open that thing up. It even has like the number pad on it too, so gives you like a full keyboard. Turn this thing on. There's a turn on button there, and then you can have up to 2 different Bluetooth sources. So if you want to go from your computer to your phone or tablet, you can just press 1 or 2 up here. But you can also connect it with your 2.4 gigahertz frequency just right there, so you have the button to switch between those. It has little rubber feet on the bottom, so when it's sitting down, it's just nice. It doesn't slide around easily, and just great. Yeah, if you do a lot of work with a mouse and keyboard and travel, and you just want to make sure you have that with you all the time, this is a fantastic design. Have all of the normal keyboards. You have even buttons for Windows and Mac, so if you want to make sure you're using the right shortcuts, you can. And yeah, you can use the mouse right here. It has USB on it. You can either do Bluetooth or you can use it with the little dongle here. So you can plug this into your computer and it will work straight away like that. There's a little on-off switch. It works great. It's got the scroll wheel on it. It's got the double clicks, and it's got USB-C for charging in the front, which is nice because then you can be charging it if you're using it. If like it dies, you could still use it that way. The scroll wheel also has a button, just like other mice you would find. It also has a DPI button right there, just for sensitivity level. If you want to change that, you can. Really nice, foldable, compact. Everything goes in this bag. If you want to travel with it, it's a nice little hard case, and just the perfect way to get around if you need to use your mouse and full keyboard. That's a great way, great option. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.